This week we work on some storage solutions for my sister's tiny cottage. We get some things out of the trash and we go to the thrift store. We add layers and details to my sister's tiny bedroom, and Grandpa builds an outdoor kitchen out of an old window and something we saw on Pinterest.
Always static when I try to speak.
Are you excited about the plan?
Wait a minute. What'd you say about a sliding door?
Little dining nook outside. I especially love it because you don't really have a dining area inside. And in Southern California, in a tiny home, the outside is the inside. It doubles your square footage pretty much.
An extension of the inside, yes. Yeah. The only thing that's missing is my barbecue area. I really want a barbecue area.
We went on Pinterest and you drew up the plan for Grandpa. Grandpa's gonna build that today. Pretty good drawing here.
Danielle did it.
I should have been an architect.
Yeah.
What's the materials that you're going to use?
A whole variety. 4x4s, 2x4s, plastic.
Okay.
If we have a project and he can go buy new lumber, he is way more on board than when I ask him to use things that we get out of the trash or old scrap wood. I love weathered wood and things that are old and decrepit. He does not. When we told him that he could go get the lumber, I could see his eyes start to sparkle. Zach just found a scooter in the trash and we are heading to the farmer's market. And I've got this. I'm bringing this with me because I need it. We walked over to the farmer's market after church and we stopped in to see our favorite jewelry artist, Olga. I like that on you, Danielle.
Come down like a half an inch.
This is Olga, jewelry artist. She's so good. I love that. We've got a lot going on. Grandpa has to build an outdoor kitchen. We need to paint it. We need to paint the table.
Outdoor kitchen?
Well, it's like a little kitchenette. And I really want to put a transfer on your barn door. I don't think they've even seen that yet. We have some flashback footage, I think, of Grandpa creating it. It's a beautiful solution. I want to do it at Grandpa's house, but he won't let me. These are his pride and joy. Are you excited about the plan? We're gonna do your sliding barn door with the transfer.
Wait a minute. What'd you say about a sliding door? No! I thought you were gonna do something with the bedroom.
Let's see how much we can get done today. So we can spend the rest of the week, you know, just eating bonbons.
So we put the door on, finally. I had him flip it around because I wanted the wood to show. And I stained it with
Dark and Decrepit, which is a beautiful natural stain. It's so easy to use, so much better than an oil-based stain. It's the first thing you see when you walk in your front doors. We wanted this cute old door that we found in the trash. Grandpa found it in the trash.
We should have a flashback.
Yeah.
What do you got there, Dad?
Doors.
Where'd you find them?
In the trash.
Yeah, that was really cool. You found two. One's at my store and one is right here. So we put it on the track that we got at Home Depot. Now we're gonna put the transfers so that you don't see in. This is the bungalow transfer because you like tropical.
Yeah, I really wanted more tropical flowers. I didn't want the French flowers.
It's got a monkey, a couple tigers, 3 parrots, and a lot of lemons. I think we might even have some left over to add to your mirror that we did a couple weeks ago. We took a break and we went to Consignment Classics. I have found so many cool things there for my house, my sister's house, my dad's house. I feel like I should have some kind of agreement with them, but honestly they have no idea who I am or that we're even filming in there. There was a lamp that I have had my eye on and I was hoping that it would get marked down. This lamp is going to be so perfect for my dad's bedroom makeover, which we are going to start working on next week. I've been eyeballing this for a couple weeks. I've never seen one like this, so the cork actually lifts off, which means I could put big shells inside and sand, and then I have the ship decoupage paper for the top. Grandpa needs a light next to his bed, so I think it'll be really good. We got the lamp for $35 along with a few other things that are coming up next week.
Debbie suggested that I use Blue Hills by Jamie Ray because it's designed for outdoors. So it's a little icy, so we're gonna just add a pop of her Dreamville.
We used about a half of a sample jar to paint my sister's bistro table. We're using the Jamie Ray formula, which has a built-in sealer. It's really durable and it's great for outdoor furniture.
So it is a rusty chair, and Debbie says that her paint will go right over rust, so we'll see. It'll look brand new.
I didn't exactly say that you could paint right over rust. She was yelling at me from the other room and I was in the middle of a project, so when she's like, can we paint over the rust? Yeah, sure, paint over the rust. Sometimes you do it and the rust comes back and you need like a special rust sealer. It seemed to work, at least for now. We have a rusty old table that we painted over in front of my shop. If my sister's table ends up rusty again, we can always prime it. But because it only took a half a container of paint, I thought, why not give it a try? Grandpa's little house is so adorable, and we've really brought his personality here, but now it's time for the details. I want to bring in some color. We're gonna make it more cozy.
It is cozy.
No, it looks like a prison.
Well, you designed it.
No, I started to design it, but the bedding, you need some color. We started on my dad's bedroom a couple of months ago, and then we sort of dropped the ball. We need to add some warmth and color into his space, and we're gonna do that next week. Why do you have this right here?
Because I weigh myself.
Then we all got in my sister's van and we went over to Home Goods. I wanted to find some new bedding and pillows and some curtains for my dad's bedroom makeover next week. It's all currently hiding in my sister's garage because we are gonna surprise him for Father's Day. So there's a problem. We put dark and decrepit and this was raw wood, so it sinks into the wood and it doesn't really give it a slick surface. Normally you can just paint and let it sit for 24 hours and you don't have to necessarily seal it, but this definitely needs a seal. I'm gonna get a coat of liquid patina on this. It can go right over the transfer. I'm gonna cover everything except for the glass because the glass will get all foggy. We'll need to let this cure and then the transfer will go on a lot easier. The liquid patina was drying while we were shopping at Home Goods. And while we were there, I found these really beautiful curtains and I have this really fun idea for them. I told my sister and Ellie about it and they shot my idea down, but I plan to do it anyway. You don't want to come see the sea glass?
Looks like I want to come up see the sea glass.
Thanks for bringing me the monkey.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
I'm hanging more shelves, but I hung the sea glass. See that? See the sea glass?
It looks so good.
Bobby collects real sea glass at the beach by his house, and he gave us some of his favorite pieces to add to my sister's light fixture.
I think I need a few more.
This one right here.
I'm just implementing some of my sewing skills with my seashells.
If you have not seen the episode of my sister's bedroom makeover, I will put the link below. Once the liquid patina had dried on the door, the transfer glided on so much easier. We are using the bungalow transfer. We sell it on our website. It's 8 pages and it was the perfect amount to cover the entire door. In there, going to Grandpa's house. There's Levi. Are you supervising? How's it going, Dad? We got a whole bunch of stuff for your bedroom.
When is this going to start?
Next week.
Don't worry, it's very manly.
We want you to paint your back wall of your bedroom orange.
Orange?
Yeah, like your front door.
Just the back wall behind your bed.
You need some orange.
It'll be like a project that we have to set up and tape and pull your bed out.
It'll be good. You'll love it. What are you doing?
Helping Grandpa.
Grandpa, what are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
He's building me a barbecue.
This is her outdoor kitchenette.
My outdoor barbecue stand.
Whenever I set out to create something, whether it is a painted piece of furniture or a new space, I almost always go to Pinterest. I have Pinterest boards for my dad's cottage, my sister's cottage, almost every room of my house, and a bunch of other things. If you are curious about my Pinterest boards, I will put the link to my Pinterest account down below. At the end of the week, we took a break and we went to my friend Rita's house, who is an interior designer, to celebrate her birthday. Her house is absolutely gorgeous. She has DIY'd many of the projects in her beautiful home, and I want to show you a little bit of that.
I want Jesus to walk with me. I want Jesus to walk.
I had to get a video of the door after I slid it over my bathroom. I couldn't believe how beautiful it looked over the light. Look at that. That is amazing. So now I'm going to just slide it back over the closet, and you can't see in the closet. You can't see all the clutter in the closet.
He's here with his yellow shoes. He's gonna, it rocks a little bit, so he's gonna fix it. It rocked the whole time I was painting it.
Yeah,
and he brought me buoys for my dad's makeover, because we're gonna do his makeover next week. And his colors are blue and orange. And some sea glass. Ooh. How do you get those buoys?
At the beach.
But how? How do you find
They
them?
wash in.
I never see them.
They wash in from lobsters. Lobster fishermen. See, they have numbers on them because they float like this. So they can see which buoy's theirs by the color and the numbers.
I got a plan for those buoys.
These three equal like one of these.
Oh yeah. That'll be fun. My dad will love those. Don't you think those will make a room cozy?
Yeah.
Levi, what are you doing? What are you doing, Danielle? Do you want to describe what we have going on here?
Jungle that hides the jungle.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. And see, when it slides over, it covers your bathroom door.
Yeah, and I gave you the video of, oh, this was starting to lift. Did you know that?
Because you're supposed to burnish it.
I did.
Did you put the liquid patina over the top?
No.
Oh, you got to do that. Yeah, that was her job. I applied the transfer all day long, and I said, okay, now seal it with liquid patina.
Right.
So you better do that. It looks really cute. I love this transfer, and it goes perfect in your beachy little boho beach cottage. So cute. Oh, I love that color. It's a good color. So you're going to use cowgirl coral. I'm going to take the liquid sunshine. You want to help us paint?
I'm coming back to put my time card in.
Okay, it's on the island inside. I love our paint because if you're a lazy painter like me, I want a lemon yellow. I don't even want to mix the colors together. I don't want to clean all that dirt off that old window. So I'm just going to smack some paint on here, and then my brush won't fit in this, so I'm just going to pour a little yellow right here. You know, I own a paint company, so you can criticize me all you want. But this is how I do it sometimes. I don't always do it like the perfectionist way. And I want a pretty blended look. And if I get paint on the glass, guess what? It wipes off so easy. So this is how I'm painting the window. This is how we do it, lazy. Boom, it looks good. Cute. It's like a little lemonade stand.
Too, it kind of goes with my steps.
Yes, it does. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Yes, you
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're the master carpenter.
I'm just following orders.
No, you're the master builder. Good, look at that.
29.
Debbie, do you think Dad should extend it to here?
Beyond the front of the
It
thing.
looks like 20.
I had to leave my sister's house because I got paint all over my bibs. She made me move it while it was still wet. Look, I'm gonna go put them in the wash. I know this paint washes out if you wash them fairly soon.
Our paint is made of dirt. It is clay. It is mostly clay. Clay is earth. It dries like an adobe brick. We had to finish this to get the video up in time. Sometimes I just don't want to clean off dirt, and it's paint made of dirt, so I did it that way. I don't want to hear about it in the comments. I really don't.
My sister's outdoor kitchenette is almost done. We need to tile the top. She lives in 400 square feet, so this will really add to her outdoor living space.
Boy, you were bad for me.
In case you missed my sister's bedroom makeover from a few weeks ago, I will put the link below. And if you want to see my dad's bedroom makeover next week, subscribe. To find all the products we used in this video, to find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store, click the link below. Thanks for watching.
When you take a look at me, you only see what you